Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an exclusive tour of cabin B435 on the Crown Princess. This is a balcony cabin located on deck 11, which is Baja deck. Let's take a look inside. As we step inside, the first thing you'll notice is the cosy and functional layout. This cabin is perfect for solo travellers and couples if you're looking for a comfortable space to unwind. Let's break it down section by section. For this 4-night cruise to Tasmania, we stayed in cabin B435, which is a category BA balcony cabin on the starboard side of deck 11. It's conveniently located right next to the midship stairwell, which makes it easy to get to most of the venues on board. We were a little bit worried about potential noise from people gathering near the elevators, but honestly, we barely heard a thing. One cool feature of Princess ships is their medallion technology. Forget room keys, your medallion unlocks your door as you approach. Except, of course, when we tried to film it. Typical, right? We'll cover the medallion technology in much greater detail on our full ship review, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss that. This cabin is approximately 231 square feet, including the balcony. That's about 21.5 square metres. Now that's pretty standard for a balcony cabin without a sofa, but when you compare that to the cabin we had on Ovation of the Seas last November, it's around 2 square metres smaller. The walk-in wardrobe here is the space eater, but it is super practical. It really just does depend on your preference. Would you rather have more floor space or that extra storage? Let us know in the comments. The walk-in wardrobe doubles as a handy dressing area. It has a long hanging rail, a shelf where you'll find your life jackets, and a tall shelved cupboard with a safe. There's even a full-length mirror, and there's a motion-activated light, which is great for nighttime. One quirk though, the bathroom door opens into this space, so watch your toes. And on the plus side though, this design does make the bathroom feel more spacious inside. Speaking of the bathroom, it's compact and a bit old school, and it has plastic walls and yes, the dreaded shower curtain. My cruise ship cabin personal pet peeve though is the towel rack above the toilet. It just feels weird and unhygienic to me. Also, the rails are really close together, so if you've got two large towels, they just don't dry properly. So here's our little hack for this cabin. We hang our towels in the wardrobe hanging rail instead. The fixed shower head is at a decent height. Mike's 6 foot and had no issues at all. Plus there's Lotus Spa branded toiletries in there, which are a nice touch if you don't want to pack your own. The main area is cosy and practical. Each side of the bed has a nightstand with a fixed lamp, 2 small drawers and a shelf. And a cool bonus, Princess give motion sensor lights under the nightstands. Except Mike's didn't work and mine was barely hanging on. Great idea, but it definitely needs better maintenance. By the balcony door, there's a small cabinet housing a fridge, and above that a flat screen TV. Be careful here though, because that TV sticks out a fair bit in front of those sliding doors, so watch your head on your way to and from the balcony. The TV itself though has plenty channels to choose from, including TV shows, movies, news and ship information. On the other side, there's a dressing table with a cupboard, and this is where you'll also find the hairdryer, power outlets and USB ports. Heads up, the US outlets are low power, so stick to the universal outlet for your hair tools. Also, the outlets are really close together, so like us, you might struggle to use more than one adapter at a time. Oh, and there are no power outlets on the right hand side of the bed. The balcony is compact, but a lovely spot to enjoy breakfast or watch the waves. It's got 2 chairs plus footstools and a small table. It's snug if you want to use the footstools, but it's manageable. The balcony is covered, which is great for shade and privacy, but keep in mind, you can see into the uncovered balconies below on decks 9 and 10. That's just something to consider when choosing your cabin. Cabin B435 on Crown Princess is in a fantastic location with easy access to everything. It's the perfect size for 2 people and has plenty of storage. However, the cabin is starting to show its age. A little TLC would go a long way. Also, the bed's really soft, so if you like a firmer mattress, definitely ask your stateroom attendant for a topper. Overall, the built-in universal outlet and the medallion technology are great modern touches, so despite a few quirks, we had a great time in this cabin. Thanks for watching. If you found this cabin tour helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more cruise reviews and tours. Have you stayed in a cabin like this before? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time and happy cruising!